Here's how to motion track in CapCut. If you want a video to track a specific object, I'll show you how to do it. But first, hit the subscribe button down below. It really helps me out. Thanks, guys. Now, open CapCut, tap New Project, and add your video. In my example, my head moves from left to right, so I'll track my face. First, tap on the video to select it. Then, swipe through the bottom menu until you find Camera Tracking and tap on it. This feature works on iPhone, Android, computer versions of CapCut. Next, tap Tracking Camera, and you'll see options for face, body, hands, or custom tracking. Since I'm tracking my face, I'll select Face and hit Track. CapCut will automatically add keyframes to follow the movement. As you preview the tracking, you might notice a blur effect. To fix this, enable Fit Canvas to keep the object centered without extra blur. You can also keep the object size the same if needed. Once done, tap the check mark to confirm. If you want to refine it, go back to Camera Tracking, tap Adjust to tweak settings, or Retrack to redo the motion tracking. You can also use Custom for more precise control. And that's it. For more tutorials, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button.